lot of research is going to protect us from COVID-19. Won't it be wonderful if something very cheap and easily available can protect us from COVID-19? Vitamin D is such a wonderful supplement. Stay with me to know why I am saying so. Hello my dear friends, I am Poonam and you are watching Biology Explained. Today I am going to talk about an article which talks how essential vitamin D is in mitigating COVID-19 severity. Please keep a note that this article is not peer-reviewed yet, but the message they wanted to convey is very important and the data looks very promising. They wanted to see whether vitamin D supplement can reduce ICU admission and death. Let's see what they have found. 930 patients were included in the study, of which 551 were given vitamin D and 379 were not given vitamin D. All the other medicines administered were same in both the groups. The form of vitamin D given was calcifediol. What is calcifediol? We'll talk about it very soon. First, let's see what they have found. At the day of admission, 551 participants were given 532 microgram of vitamin D, that is calcifediol. And then 266 microgram of vitamin D was given on day 3, 7, 15 and 30. So what did they found? We have the treated group and the untreated group. In the treated group, 30 patients, that is 5.4%, required ICU, while in the control group, 80 patients, that is 21.1%, needed ICU. And this data was statistically significant. That is, it does not occur by chance, meaning that on admission of vitamin D, less patients required ICU. What about death? It was found that 36 patients, that is 6.5% of the patients, died in the treated group and 57 patients, that is 15% of the patients, died in the control group. And this data was also statistically significant. So it seems when vitamin D is administered to even hospitalized patients, the rate of recovery is more. Thus, vitamin D works on reducing the symptoms and severity and even death in COVID-19 patients. According to this paper, the mortality rate was reduced by 60%, and when higher level of vitamin D was found in patients at the baseline level, then mortality was much less. However, age and obesity also resulted in higher mortality. So, I think we should all check for our vitamin D level and talk with our physician to take vitamin D supplement. But please don't self-medicate yourself without doctor's advice, because your doctor is the best person to advise you on how much vitamin D you should be taking daily. This study has some limitations, but I am not going into the details of the limitations since the message they wanted to convey is very clear. Let's know a bit more about vitamin D before we end this video. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin and it is synthesized in the lower layer of our skin when we get exposed to sun, specifically UVB radiation. We can get it through diet and also as supplement. Vitamin D we get in our diet or sunlight is inactive. In the first step, it is converted to calcifediol in the liver, and this is the level we measure in our blood. From the liver, it travels to the kidney and forms calcitriol. This calcitriol is biologically active form which is used by our body. So, the inactive form cholecalciferol from the diet or sun exposure is converted to calcifediol in the liver and then converted to calcitriol in the kidney. The conversion of Cholecalciferol to calcifidiol takes 3 to 5 days. However, the conversion of calcifidiol to calcitriol takes only few hours. So, in this study, the authors have given calcifidiol so that it can be activated and absorbed by our body in few hours. If they have given cholecalciferol, it would take a week to see the effect of vitamin D, and that might lead to death of lot of patients. Vitamin D plays a very important role in modulating our immune system, and we all know how important the role of immune system is in case of any kind of infection, including SARS-CoV-2. So take your daily dose of vitamin D. Having said that, don't stop wearing mask and please take suitable vaccine. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.